Bonjour à tous, welcome to my channel French with Deepika. This is part 5 of lesson 4, so let's get started. This is part 5 of lesson 4, Kalu et malade, and we are going to continue with the exercise of l'interrogation, which is interrogation, asking questions. Okay, so this is the exercise. Rappelons, mettez les phrases suivantes à la forme interrogative en utilisant les trois formes. As I have explained earlier also, in this question, statement is given and we have to write it in the three forms of the question: l'intonation, est et l'inversion. Okay, so first we have already run in the previous video. Let's start with the second question. So second is nous avons deux chats. We have two cats. The is two, chat is cats. Okay, so we have two cats. It is a statement and now we have to convert them in the question. So for the first part, which is l'intonation, the intonation in this part, just write the statement nous avons the chat, and now for the question we put question mark. So that's it for the first form. Okay, we just have to raise our voice like nous avons deux chats. Okay, in the question form, nous avons deux chats, we have two cats. Okay, so this is your intonation. Okay, now second form is est. So how we can write it in est? Write est first. Est. Now just write the same statement. Est-ce que nous avons deux chats? So the question will be, do we have two cats? Est-ce que nous avons deux chats? Do we have two cats? Okay. Third is l'inversion, which is inversion. Inversion means you have to write the verb first. So in this statement, which one is the verb? Avons is the verb. Okay. So avons hyphen nous. Avons nous, then the chat. This also means, do we have two cats? But it is the inversion form. Inversion, as we know, we have to write the verb first, then put a hyphen and then your pronoun. Avons-nous deux chats? Do we have two cats? Now third question is, je comprends la langue française. Je comprends. Comprend is to understand. To understand, langue is language. Française is French language. Okay, français. La langue française is French language. Okay, so first form is l'intonation. In this, simply write the statement and put a question mark. Okay. Je comprends la langue française. Je comprends la langue française. I understand the French language. I understand the French language. Okay, je comprends la langue française. This is your first form. Second is, which is est. Write est. Again, same statement. Est-ce que je comprends this? Question mark. Est-ce que je comprends la langue française? Do I understand the French language? Okay. Do I understand the French language? That is your question with est. Okay. Now for inversion, as we have already noted the rule, inversion is not done for je, first person. So for inversion, there will be no formation. There will be no formation for inversion, as according to the rule we cannot invert the first person. Fourth is il commence la classe à 8 heures. Commence is to start. So they start the class at 8 o'clock. Okay. So what will be the first form? Write the statement. Il commence la classe à 8 heures? Question mark. Okay. Il commence la classe à 8 heures. They start the class at 8 o'clock. So this is your question. Okay. For ask, write skill commence la classe à 8 heures. Skill. So now you know L starting with the vowel. So we have to put apostrophe and remove E. So skill commence la classe à 8 heures. Do they start the class at 8 o'clock? Okay. Now third form is l'inversion, which is inversion. In inversion, we write the verb first, which is commence hyphen il. Commence-t-il la classe à 8 heures? So, do they start the class at 8 o'clock? Okay, commence-t-il la classe à 8 heures? Got it? Fifth is elle va à la bibliothèque. So, va is the aller verb, which means to go. Bibliothèque is the library. She goes to the library. This is the statement. She goes to the library. Elle va à la bibliothèque. Okay, so first form will be elle va à la bibliothèque. Question mark. Elle va à la bibliothèque. She goes to the library. Okay, so this is your intonation by raising the voice. Okay. Second is ask. So using ask, we have to write like this. Ask apostrophe L va à la bibliothèque. Question mark. Est-ce qu'elle va à la bibliothèque? Does she go to the library? So third form is l'inversion. Okay, inversion. So in inversion, we know that we have to write the verb first. Write verb, but just remember the rule that va is ending with a and your pronoun is l. It is starting with e. So to avoid the clash of vowels, we put t. Okay, va hyphen t hyphen l, your pronoun. Vatel, and then rest of the statement. A la bibliothèque. Okay, is she going to the library? Got it? So that's it for today. We'll continue with the same chapter in the next video. Like, share, and hit subscribe. Till then, bonjour et au revoir.